The future of SAS-based programming in a cloud-based world. Cloud computing is changing many industries, including data analytics. SAS-based programming is a key tool for statistical analysis. It has long been a reliable tool for data professionals, but the rise of cloud-based environments is redefining SAS-based programming. The impact of cloud computing on SAS-based programming. Cloud computing has changed how we store, access, and process data. For SAS-based programming, it means moving from on-premises to the cloud, AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. SAS has responded by offering cloud-based solutions, like SAS Via. It is a platform that integrates with cloud infrastructure. It makes SAS-based programming more flexible and efficient. Integration of SAS with cloud-based data sources. A key benefit of cloud computing is access to vast data stored in various cloud services. SAS-based programming must now work with cloud data sources. These include Amazon S3, Google BigQuery, and Azure Data Lake. This integration enables easy data analysis. Enhancements in SAS tools for cloud environments. To stay relevant in a cloud-based world, SAS has upgraded its tools. SAS Studio is a web-based interface for SAS programming. It optimizes for the cloud. Users can write, edit, and run SAS code from anywhere with internet access. The role of SAS in hybrid cloud and multi-cloud strategies. Many organizations are using hybrid and multi-cloud strategies to optimize their IT. SAS-based programming is ideal for these environments. It operates without interruption in both on-premises and cloud environments. This lets organizations control sensitive data. Conclusion. In conclusion, the future of SAS-based programming in a cloud-based world is one of adaptation and growth. As cloud computing reshapes data analytics, SAS is evolving to meet its demands. SAS-based programming is vital for data pros. It integrates with cloud data sources and tools. It adapts to hybrid and multi-cloud strategies.